channel. It's your girl Mo Love, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, how y'all doing? Ladies, how y'all feel? Fellas, y'all alright? I hope everyone's doing fine. I'm doing well. Today's review will be on this cute little unit I have on right now from Afsister Wig. They reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to review one of their wigs. I've seen some videos on them, so I've seen a lot of people doing reviews on them, and they seem like they were, a very good company. So I decided to give them a try, and they sent me, they had a choice of 2 different wigs, and I chose this one, and I love it. This is a cute, look, curly bop, summertime, anytime. I think this will look good in any season. But yeah, I love the curls and everything. Very cute and easy. Beginner friendly wig, it's big head friendly, but I absolutely love it. If y'all want to stick around to get the details on the wig, please keep on watching. Okay, love, so yes, this is the wig here. Very cute, curly, natural looking wig. For those of you that don't know, I am natural. So when I say the wig is big head friendly, I'm referring to big head meaning getting all this hair to fit underneath the wig, because my hair is natural and very thick. So, and I'm not a very good braider, so I really can't braid it, scalp braid it to make my hair look flat. So I usually just take it and slick it down, the best as I can, comb it out real good, brush it out real good, and try to make it flat as I can. So as you can see, I have it in 2 little plaits in the bag. So that's what I mean when I say a wig is, for me, big hair friendly. Enough, I'm meaning like the wig is big enough to fit all this hair underneath. So yeah, but this is the wig. Like I said, I am natural, and I did do a big chop back in, I want to say 2017. I cut all my hair off, and I wanted to start from scratch, so I went without a perm for like 1.5 years. Then I did the big chop, cut all my hair off, and I actually like when my hair was growing out, how curly and cute it was. So when Afsister reached out to me and wanted me to do a review, and they had 2 options. I could either pick the long wig, or I can pick the little cute one. So the little cute curly one. So I picked this one. I thought it was something different. You know what I'm saying? Like in the summertime, I don't like to wear a lot of long wigs because it's so hot, especially in Louisiana. So I did go ahead and pick the curly Pixie. I think they call it. It's a Pixie cut curly wig, and it is 100% human hair. Very nice. Now, if you look at it, it's not thin at all. Very thick. The curls are really pretty and bouncy, and as you can see, it's really pretty. They really pre-plucked it real good, so that's a good thing. You don't have to pre-pluck it. Now what I did, I went ahead and put a little makeup on at the bottom. I put a little bit the True Complexion Black Radiance. I put a little bit right here. I don't think you need to bleach the knots. You could if you want to, but I'm not going to. So, and as you can see, it's full lace. It has a lot of lace. It also has it in the back. So yeah, I thought that was real nice. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 at the bottom. And what I actually really love about it, they have the where you can put the straps. The straps did come with it, so you can hook it up to the wig, and you can wear it glueless. So you can just put it on, prop it on, put it on your head, and you could like put a little got to be glue at the top if you would like, so for extra security. But this is like a plop on and go. My favorite type of wig. So yes, I really like it. I want to thank Afsister for sending this out to me. A very cute wig, very nice. They did it very good. The curls are beautiful. I absolutely love it. The curls are beautiful. Very nice wig. They did a very good job on pre-plucking. So yes, I will go ahead and cut the lace off, and go ahead and put it on. And after that, I'll do my makeup and we'll see how it comes out. So I'm very interested to see how it comes out. So stay tuned. I'll go ahead and cut this lace off, you guys, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, right here I'm just unboxing the wig for you to show you how I received it. It came in this black box with their name on it, Afsister Wigs, and I'm just opening it up to let y'all see how it came. That's the wig right there with the net. The hair is a 13x4 lace front. It did come with the wig cap and also the straps that you can put on the wig. You can use the straps and you can take them off. You don't have to use them. So yeah, that's a good feature that it came with the straps. This is how it looks. It's a lace front 13x4 virgin Brazilian hair. It's the density is 80% density. Just showing you the lace. The lace, it says in the description that like it's a medium brown color. Showing you right here how pre-plucked it is. They did pre-pluck this unit very nicely. So yeah, it saves you on doing that. Now it does say that the knots are bleached, but you can bleach them yourself. There is lace at the bottom of the wig also, and there's 2 combs at the front, 1 in the back, and there's the little places where you could put the straps at right here on the side. But yeah, very nice wig, very full and thick. The cap size says it's a medium size. There is free parting, so you can part it in different ways. You can do a side part, middle part, whatever you would like. But yeah, I'm just showing you how it looks here. Very nice wig. Look how full it is. The curls are very pretty. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I did my makeup. I went ahead and cut the lace off the wig and put it on, and this is how she's looking. I think it is so cute. I love the curls. It is very soft. My hands just run straight through it. I love it. It's a bop, a whole bop. Yes, honey, I'm loving it. This is how it looks in the back. So yeah, so I just sprayed a little got-to-be glue. I'm not too good about, you know, laying my lace down and everything, but I'm learning. It's a learning process. So hey, but I think it is a very cute wig. You know what I'm saying? I love how the length of it is short and it is cute. And now what I'll do, I'll go ahead and put a little water on it, you know, wet it up a little bit and put a little, whatchamacallit? Put a little mousse. Put a little mousse on it and see, you know, how it looks like that, a little wet spout. So let's go ahead and do that. I love it. The water and the mousse just defined the curls a little better, made it a little more shinier. I love it. Now there is a lot of parting space, so if I wanted if you want to do like a side part, you could. Where's my comb? So yeah, if you want to do a side part, you can do that. Yeah, it'd be cute on the side. So yeah, you could just play around with it, you know, change it up, whatever style you would like. That's cute with the little bang in the front. So I really love this wig. They didn't have a smell to it or anything like that. Very cute. You know, this is something different. Like I say, I love all different kind of wigs. I love long wigs, but sometimes it's just too hot for all the hair on you, you know. But I love this. You could do a lot with this little cute bob. Look at the curls. Could y'all see that? Yes, honey. Stiff wear. Very cute. I absolutely love it. Something different, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you get tired of wearing the same styles, but look at it. Very nice. Very cute. I love it. I love it. I will have everything linked in the description box like always. So if you're interested, you can get it. It is available on their Amazon store. So if you do have the Amazon Prime, you would get it like in 3 days, 2 to 3 days, which is awesome. But I love this style. This can go with any season: summer, spring, fall, winter. So yeah, I love it, and I love it with this blouse I have on. It's real cute. So yes, let me know what y'all think about it. And I'll go ahead and play around with it some more and see what I want to do. But I love it. Look how soft. Yes, honey. Yes. Curls, 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 baby. Love it. Oh, my earring all messed up. But anyways, I love it. I want to thank you, AF. How you say it? Oh, you think? I want to thank Afsister, Afsister Wig. I want to thank y'all for sending this out to me. I love it. This is a great unit. Really love it. It's really stylish, really different. Yes, so I will recommend. All the details will be in the description box. So yeah, that'll be the end of this hair review. I want to thank y'all for watching. And until the next time, love y'all.